and that wind isn't even affecting it. Very fast, very, very fast. And stable. It tries to get away in horizon from you, but it's a beast. I would recommend the Mamba stack. So far it seems really good. So really, really, really nice. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and bring it in now. Well, I tell you what, guys, really nice. Motors aren't hot. Everything seems to be running good. We've been flying now for 4 minutes, a little less than 4 minutes. Battery pack doesn't seem hot, so we'll go ahead and unplug now. And we'll stop the SQ12. Okay, good, good, good. We'll turn our transmitter off. Now bear with me and I'll be right back. We'll check the voltage when we're back. Beast mode all day. Let's go and get her in here. See, all is 15.1. So I'm good. Man, I could have, it's balanced. I think it's really, really, really balanced. And that's only a, I think 450 milliamp hour Tattu R-line battery. 4S power. Wow, amazing. You guys don't believe it's 4S, it'll show you right here. Number 4, see right there, all 15.1. number 1, number 2. See how they balance themselves out. I'm seeing like 1 point apart, so that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So there you have it, guys. I have it on the Fly Sky transmitter. I do have a nice little line of sight on me, so as you guys can see, this thing's a powerhouse. I cannot wait to put some FPV on it and get it out in the field and rip balls with this thing. And that's another thing about this. Did you see my area here? Yes, I live in a trailer. That where I fly, that's not my house. But as you can see, I have some really nice trees here, and that's what I wanted to get a 3-inch for. Because I don't want to bring a 5-inch here, because if I come shooting a gap, you know what I mean, with a 5-inch and hit off someone's house, I don't want to do that. I'm real respectfully where I fly and all that, so gotta respect the hobby, man, because that's what keeps it safe and keeps us here. So get it out there, guys. Rip balls, tear shit up, but make sure it's your property. MD95 TSI signing out.